creamy puff pastry dessert. Heat the water with the milk. Add sugar and salt. Add butter. Stir until the butter melts. Add flour and mix the dough. Remove the saucepan with the dough from the heat. Stirring continuously, add 5 eggs one by one. You need to obtain a smooth and soft dough. Fill the pastry bag with the dough. Place the dough on the tray with baking paper along the perimeter of the lid. Take the lid, sprinkle with almond flakes and bake for 1 hour. Slice an orange into thin slices and place on a plate. Add a lemon cut into thin slices, lime slices, and mint. Sprinkle with sugar and blend the citrus with mint. Put the citrus and mint into the pitcher. Add orange, lemon, and lime slices. Fill the pitcher with Sprite. Stir the lemonade. Cut the ring of dough horizontally in half. In a saucepan, mix starch with eggs, sugar, vanilla sugar, and milk. Boil the cream, stirring continuously until it thickens. Add butter and mix into a smooth cream. Using the pastry bag, pipe the cream over the ring of dough. Cover with the ring of dough and chill for 30 minutes. The adorable cake with lots of delicate cream is addictive. It is like a giant eclair.